When it comes to boosting your focus and productivity, Focus Booster is a popular time management software that promises to help you stay on track. But is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll break down 12 things you need to know before purchasing Focus Booster and how it stacks up against other productivity tools on the market. First up, let's talk about pricing. Focus Booster has a simple pricing model with a free plan for basic use, but if you need more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to their paid version. While its pricing is competitive compared to other productivity tools, you should know that it may not offer as many features as some of the higher tier alternatives. But if you're just looking for a focused Pomodoro timer, this could be a solid option. Next thing, Focus Booster is designed around the Pomodoro technique, a popular time management method. If you're already a fan of this approach, you'll find it easy to use. The timer is simple to set up and use, but if you prefer more flexibility or different time management styles, you might find it a bit limiting. Other apps, like Toggle, offer a wider range of time tracking options. The third thing you should know is that Focus Booster integrates with a number of other apps, including Trello, Slack, and Google Calendar. This makes it easy to keep everything in sync, but its integrations are not as extensive as those offered by some competitors, like Monday.com or ClickUp, which provide more robust integrations with various tools. The fourth thing to consider is the user interface. Focus Booster is minimal and easy to navigate, which is great if you like simplicity. However, if you're someone who prefers a more feature-packed dashboard with detailed analytics, tools like Rescue Time might offer more value. The fifth thing, Focus Booster offers time tracking reports that are essential for tracking your progress, but it doesn't offer advanced analytics or customizable reporting like some of its competitors. For example, apps like Clockify allow for more detailed time tracking reports that can help you spot trends and optimize your workflow. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Focus Booster is highly mobile friendly, with apps for both iOS and Android. However, if you need a more advanced mobile experience with offline functionality or a wider range of features, you might want to look at alternatives like Toggle, which offers a more robust mobile app. The seventh thing is customer support. Focus Booster provides decent support via email, but it doesn't offer live chat or a phone support option. Competitors like TimeCamp offer more hands-on customer service with more immediate responses, which could be a deciding factor if you're a business looking for more comprehensive support. Next up, it's about ease of use. Focus Booster's simplicity is one of its biggest selling points, but if you need more customization or flexibility, you might find it lacking. Apps like Notion offer more customization options for time tracking, but they can be more complex to set up and use. The ninth thing, Focus Booster works well for individuals, but if you're managing a team, you may want something with more team-oriented features. Tools like Harvest and Clockify offer team collaboration features and the ability to track team members' time across multiple projects. The 10th thing to note is the Focus Booster desktop app. It's lightweight, fast, and doesn't take up much system resources. However, it's only available on Mac and Windows. If you need a web-only solution, competitors like Toggle offer browser-based apps that work on any device without needing a desktop app. The 11th thing is how Focus Booster handles reminders. The app has basic notification features, but if you need more advanced reminders or recurring tasks, other apps like Todoist or TickTick provide more robust reminder systems with greater flexibility. Finally, let's talk about overall performance. Focus Booster is generally reliable for tracking your time and keeping you focused, but it lacks some of the advanced features that some competitors offer. If you're looking for a more feature-rich experience, tools like Rescue Time or TimeCamp could offer better value with features like goal setting, more comprehensive reporting, and greater integrations. So, is Focus Booster a good option? Absolutely. It's a solid choice for those who want a simple, focused timer based on the Pomodoro technique. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution that offers deeper analytics, better integrations, and more team collaboration features, you might want to explore other options. For a better alternative that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution below.